Hey guys, Steve from Resale Dojo back for another What Sold video. Now this video is going to be my What Sold from August 31st through September 6th. So let's take a look at the report. So first here I want to show you guys just the eBay's generated report that they put out. You just could go in here and do your custom days on there to see your sales report during the same amount of time. Now, as you can see, I sold $2,100 total. They included tax, that included my shipping, everything in there because I have free shipping and stuff. Up 27.2% from last week, which is awesome. As you guys know, last week I think it was around 1,600, maybe a little bit more. Taxes were 117. Selling costs were $562.22, and total sales netted out to be 1,420. I could scroll down a little bit. You can see a little more here. Just see how my chart is. Now that 2,100 is even with a terrible Sunday. My Sunday was $75, which sucked. Once again, I got struck hard on the weekend, right? You can see I started my week really well. I had a $600 day in there. But then it started to peter off. But luckily, Monday came back good and it was around $300 for that. So that's really my breakdown. Now if I put in my cost of goods as well, it's probably more around, I netted out around 1,000 to 1,000 to 1,100, I would assume, on there. So let's get into the sales. The first one I have up is a lot of 10 cell phones. I sold this for $45, free shipping as a offer to watchers. I just really wanted to get rid of it. I had $10 into it and I was holding it for about 6 months. So I just really wanted to get rid of this one. Next one is a catcher's mitt, an SSK fast pitch softball catcher's mitt. I found this one for I think about $6 at Goodwill. I felt like really good quality just from knowing mitts from my previous life when I used to play when I was a kid. And it just was a really nice mitt. I looked it up, very good comps on it. There weren't many listed. I don't think there's any listed of this one. So I was able to set my price and I got full asking for it. Sold another PlayStation 2 this week. $60 plus shipping on there. Also sold this Need for Speed Collector Series set for the PlayStation 2. This one sold for full price. My Noble shoes sold. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, I got the link below. I sold these Noble shoes this week. I had them for less than a week. I think I had 13 watchers on it, and I sent out an offer for I think $67 and got someone to buy it within like an hour of that. This Orvis Denali sweater sold. I believe I sold this for $30. Took an offer on this one. It was new with tags. I had this one for probably about 6 months as well, maybe even more, 8 months. Probably could have waited it out just with the winter coming up, but I'm like, I've had it for so long. I took an offer for 30 on it. Next is a shirt that I sold. I just wanted to show you guys, even though I'm selling some clothing, I am also trying to just purge a bunch as well. So this one, I think I took an offer of $12 for it. I think I had $1 into it. It's just been a shirt that's been sitting there probably for like 6 months as well, and I just wanted to get rid of it. That's what I'm doing with a lot of my clothing. If it's not higher priced, I'm just trying to purge it right now just to get rid of it, open up space for some of the better clothing that I have in my death pile that I'm going to eventually put in there. But I just trying to purge a lot of like that type of stuff. So if I do sell clothing, a lot of times I'm going to be selling stuff for like 10 or 12 bucks just to get rid of it. And usually I got them on dollar days for $1. Neat desk I sold, $80 plus shipping on there. That one I had, I think, $9 into it. It was like super cheap for a neat desk complete in a box. That one was an awesome find. The only thing with this one was it had some fading with it. You can see it's like a little yellowish, but I notated that in there. I would have charged a little bit more if it wasn't for that, but sold that one probably in about 2 months after I listed that one. Nintendo Wii U, sold this one full price, so $200 total on there. This one I had up for less than 2 weeks and it sold. So my Wii U bundles sell pretty quick for me. I'm not sure if you guys see the same. Once again, it's calculator season. Sold TI-83 Plus. This one didn't even have the case on the outside, the little sliding case. Notated in there. Sold this one within 24 hours actually. I want to show you guys audiobook that's sold. This one sold for full price at 34 bucks plus shipping. Uh, these I sell a lot of audiobooks. If I could find them for $1 to $3, I'll scan them and check to see where they're at. And you could find a lot of hidden gems in there where they're $20, $25, $30 audiobooks that are out there. A lot of times people just don't list them. And so you could be the only one on there and basically get whatever price you want. Um, so that's one tip I would look for when you're going to stores. If you're striking out in your normal categories, maybe just check the audiobooks and scan a few and see if you can find some gems. Now I'm going to get into the DVD section of this week. I think that's going to be the rest of them. I want to show you guys some of my sales so you can see some Bolo sets out there. Without a Trace, I've sold both season 1 and season 2. This one's for the second season. This one was full asking price and I sold it within like 3 days of listing it. Anytime you can find these great courses books, especially if they're sealed with the book and the DVD, they're awesome. I sell the DVDs all the time just by themselves. This one I found for $3 and sold it for $24 within a week. Same with this one. I found this at the same store for $3 and sold it for $36 within a week. Three's Company. Look for these sets. If you see them, grab them. Pretty much every season's good. This one was season 8. This is the final season, so it's a little bit more. But I've sold like season 4 for like $35 as well. They go really quick. This one has even like box damage on it, right? Doesn't have the outer sleeve, has box damage. I still sold it for 40 bucks. Woody Woodpecker, just want to show you some things that I do. I found these two at the same store, and I bought them together to lot them up to put volumes 1 and 2 together for someone. I sold this one for full price within a week of putting it up, and I had, I think it was $6 into it. So if you do see a lot of common series or sets, look to lot them up, and you could get you can usually sell those a little bit quicker, and you get a little bit more of a premium on this, from what I've seen. Brazilian Butt Lift, sold one of these for $35. I had this probably for about a month. They've slowed down a little bit on there, but I also didn't drop my price. So I just wait and get my price on there. It goes in cycles when it comes to any of the Beachbody sets. If you find them now, pick them up, and you can even hold them. If you really want to, you can hold them until January for when everyone wants to get healthy again, and you could sell them at even a higher price than what they're listed at now. And lastly, the final listing that I'm showing you guys today is this A&E Romance Collection set. If you ever find the discs separately, don't buy them and sell them. They're not really worth it. You'll probably find it for like $2 or $3 to buy them, and you're probably gonna sell them for like $6 individually. They're not worth it. If you find the whole set, that's fine. Though I had this set for probably about 5 months before it sold, and you see I didn't get that much for it. So the good thing is with media mail, it's shipped out for I think like $4 or $5, so really cheap shipping, and I had $5 in it. It was like I found a steal for that price of a set. If it was like $10 or more, I'm not sure if I would have invested in it again. But just want to show you guys that so you could learn from what I went through. Thank you once again for watching my What Sold video. I hope you guys found some bolos out here for you guys to take with you the next time you go shopping. Leave a comment below with things that you guys found, how you guys did this week. Did it go up? Did it go down for you? Anything awesome that you found that you wanted to share? If you really liked it, please leave a like, maybe even subscribe. I'm trying to grow it, but if not, I still love you guys. So in the meantime, see you guys next video. Bye.